Hello, Glenn Sample here from Glenn Sample Signs and domestickers.com. You've probably received your UVI labels from us, and what we're going to do today is show you a simple way of application. They come like this. There's no paper backing on the front of it. It's just the sticker with a peel-off backing on behind the sticker. And so the first process, of course, is to get a clean surface. Clean it very thoroughly with a strong detergent. You could even use finish it up with alcohol, get all the salt, any oil, grease, dirt off of it, so you have a perfectly clean surface. That's the really key. Then put some tabs of tape on your sticker and temporarily measure and get it exactly where you want it and put it temporarily on the area. So like this. So let's assume that's where you want it. You're sure about that. The next process is this. You're going to take another tab of tape and you're going to put a center hinge on it, just anywhere near the center. Just like that. The next process is, of course, to peel off the backing. We'll show you how that's done. Peel off the backing this way and then stick this right here. Just temporarily hold that. Or if you have another person helping you, he could hold it for you, or she could hold it for you. And then you want to peel this off. Now you're going to be exposing the sticky part of the sticker. And you want to cut off the backing paper. Take a squeegee. And now squeegee this down to the boat. After you've done that, remove the hinge like this. Then take the other half, fold it back like that, remove this, and for the second half, squeegee it back down. Hold this off the surface, don't let it touch. You just want to squeegee it a little at a time. There you go. That's about the simplest way you could do it. You could also hinge it from the top, and if you want to use a little bit of soapy water, that's fine too. But this is really the surest way to do it. I hope you have good success with it. Thank you again for purchasing your UVI labels from Glenn Sample Signs /domestickers.com. Have a good day.